We're live.
Hey everybody, it's Keely reporting live on a Tuesday from Still with the Kiss. I hope everybody had a nice long weekend. I spent it, lounging around doing nothing. I had oral surgery on Friday, so if I look a little poofy here, that may be why. So yes, I had a totally non-productive weekend. I actually worked on stuff. I know Jeannie's like, what? Of course, I'm like half out of it from oral surgery, and instead I'm coming up with a whole thing about tax exemption for my husband's business, and then I actually working on that sweater. You know, the sweater I've been working on.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, Jeannie's shocked.
I'm shocked.
So I guess I didn't, wasn't too lazy. Okay, wasn't too lazy. Okay, some cool things came in since I last checked in with everybody. These came in, last Wednesday or Thursday? This is something that Jeannie and I saw at market. It's not really a yarny thing, but to me it's beads, so it's yarn related because we like beads too. And this is a bead artist out of the Nevada area. And she came up with kits that she can make bead art at home, and they are so cool. This is like a set of 4, and you make trees, and you can actually customize it different ways. And these kits come with everything you need. It has the glue, the beads, and we're doing classes on this. That's the fun part. Or in fact, these just came in and we're already selling way down. This is just, you can pick from one of these 4 prints. The geometric, this one's really popular. The dragonfly, flowers, that's the one we're making. We have a beach scene and a hummingbird. These are really cool. Our class is coming up, we have one in June and one in July, so check our schedule. And you get the kit, and then you also will need to get a little tool kit for your first one that you do. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Like I said, these came in, and we already had to reorder on stuff because just opening the box, people were like, oh my God, that is so much fun to do. Our idea is if we see it, we're like, that's so cool, I want to do that. You might feel the same way too. So that's part of our makers classes that we have been kind of put together for the summer. In addition to that, we're doing a dye workshop, next Saturday. Is it this Saturday? No, next Saturday.
Not this Saturday.
Next Saturday I'm being in Tulsa.
Yeah, next Saturday.
So 2 Saturdays, you have 2 weeks to get your line prepared. We've already got our yarn. We're going to be dyeing this. It's a superwash merino. Has a little bit of nylon for strength, but it's going to be so pretty. If you've always wanted to just play with color and make up your own colors or whatever, come on in. You can sign up for that on our website as well. Just go to the classes. We have a link, I think, on there for all the different makers things. I showed you the little wood cutouts that we got in last week. Those have been selling like crazy. And then, of course, embroidery. We're still waiting on our other cabinet. It'll get here eventually. In addition to that, we've got chickens. The Chickens Knit Along starts next Tuesday afternoon at 1:30. So our new knit along times are Tuesdays at 1:30 every Tuesday. And if you haven't finished some of your other projects like the mosaic shawl or the traveler shawl, we'll keep working on those too. But we're pivoting now to making chickens. I know this isn't the emotional support chicken that's been making the rounds online, but we kind of like our girls better. Because number one, well, you might as well make all 3. Especially if you, like this one has all the colors. And you could go with just that one still has 4 colors. That's why I made all 3, is by the time you buy the yarn to make one, you're like, well, why stop there? A couple more balls, I can make all 3. And this is Blue Skies Organic Cotton Worsted. Comes in a ton of colors, so you have a lot of different color options. Or you can just make one little one if you so choose. I've told you about these before, cooking chickens. We'll talk about that. No pot pellet. If you put pellet pellets in, put it in something, please, because otherwise they're going to be poopy. How many years have I had?
A while.
A long time ago I made these, and I still love them. So I call them the original support chickens, emotional support chickens.
Oh, there we go. Okay, we're back.
We're back. Did we lose it?
Just for a minute.
Okay.
Second, yeah.
Sorry about that. That is all we have for you today, I think, isn't it?
I think so.
I think so. Okay. Well, I will be back next week, and I'll see you then. Bye.